Is the sound back? Well, in my last video, I was talking about a game called Annie's World, and there was sound when I respawned. It was in a game called, I think it was called, oh yeah, Mega Marble Rumpet. So, let's go on Obby and see if it's back, because I missed it. Well, you guys probably missed it as well. Let's go on Strawberry Tower. And then let's see if this works. If the sound is truly back, or if it was just something in the game. The heck? We're just gonna reach the stage where there's those lasers. There's some there. So, okay, let's see. Is it back? It's back, you guys! Oh my gosh! The sound's back. The sound's back, you. And also, this isn't an old version. I don't think this is an old version. I've never ever gone on an old version. I think, you guys, the sound is back. Go check it out on a game and then tell me if it works for you or if it's just a glitch. Or maybe you need a mod to do it. Don't forget to go into my channel, like and subscribe, and check out some more of my videos.